Lots of churches have lost their fire, and many have learned to function without the Spirit of the Lord. Yes, we need the God of Elijah, who answers by fire to consume churches with a holy fire and make the rain to fall. Rain down, Lord. Rain down, Lord. The wells run dry, the rivers dried up. To every church that has no revival, to every dying ministry, to every quiet pastor's wife, rain down. We are living in this last hour. Lots of Christians are growing cold, and the things of this world fill their minds. That's why the praise ran dry. Many Christians have lost their excitement. Many have lost their desire. We really need a true revival, and let the rain to fall. Rain down, Lord. Rain down, Lord. Rain down, Lord. Rain down, Lord. The wells run dry. Rain down, Lord. The rivers dried up. Rain down, Lord. To every church that has no revival, to every dying ministry, to every dying empty heart, rain down. Rain down, Lord. Rain down, Lord. Rain down, Lord. Rain down, Lord. The wells run dry. Rain down, Lord. The rivers dried up. Rain down, Lord. To every church that has no